I have not given up on the Infiniti. So, patched up with a garbage bag and down to autofocus glass, where they claim to deliver it once it's all done. New glass, and it only cost me $621.60 installed. Remember when I used to have to fight with the battery because it kept going dead on me? Can't remember last time I charged this. Hopefully it's got some power. That is now a thing of the past. For $179.19, there's a new one. But I tell you, it was a real pain to take out and put the new one in. So you'd think, new sunroof, new battery, rebuilt the front end, kept getting flat tires fixed, that'd be the end of my problems, right? No. I have a clunk that's returned. I don't know if you can hear this, but I don't know if it's the master cylinder, brake caliper, the pedal on the firewall. Some long lost gremlin decided to go, hey, how you doing? I'm back. Nevertheless, let's go to Ireland. Jump in a Volkswagen ID4 and be driven around the countryside.